Hello everyone and welcome to this Clever Cleaner review. Is this the best free iPhone cleaner app? Is your photo library a chaotic mess? Are you running out of space? Well, today we're checking out Clever Cleaner, an AI-powered app that promises to whip your photos into shape. And it's completely free. Is this the ultimate iPhone cleaning solution? Well, let's find out. In this review, we'll be providing details on the features, pricing, the pros and the cons, and you'll be able to decide for yourself. And starting with the features, Clever Cleaner uses AI technology to intelligently clean up your iPhone photos. One of the things it does is to find out duplicates and similar photos. Then it suggests the best shot and marks the rest for deletion. Of course, you can manually adjust it. When it comes to screenshots, Clever Cleaner helps you to easily manage and delete unwanted screenshots. Then you have lives. Here, Clever Cleaner strips motion effects and sounds from live photos to save space. And then you have the heavies. It does locate and allows you to delete large videos. You have additional features such as showing file information, allows skipping images from scans, and includes a trash bin for reviewing deleted items. Now, when it comes to the pricing, Clever is completely free. There are no hidden fees or in-app purchases. The developers have stated that early users will never have to pay for future upgrades or new features, although this implies that future updates or features might come at a cost. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, starting with the pros, we love the fact that it's completely free and no hidden costs. It is easy to use with a sleek design. It has an AI-powered feature for accurate cleaning. It efficiently cleans up various types of clutter, and the positive reviews in the App Store is around 4.8/5. On the flip side, with the cons, we can only show concern with the future updates and features that might come at a cost. But for now, if you're looking for a free and effective way to clean up your iPhone's photo library, Clever Cleaner is definitely worth trying. Its AI-powered features and ease of use makes it a powerful tool for reclaiming storage space and organizing your photos. Are you ready to try Clever Cleaner yet? Let us know what you think in the comments, and if you found this helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.